Hey guys, today on Nat's Garage we're going to be repairing my SP stool. She's still in pretty good nick, but I was sitting on the other day, started to squeak and moan a bit, and so I flipped her over and I found out that she's starting to crack around the weld on the top here. So I don't want to fall ass over head, I want to repair it, so let's get stuck into it. So let's just flip it up. What we're going to do is take the stool off the top bracket. Now it's a gas strut chair, so I don't want to heat or damage the gas strut, so I'm just going to knock the flange off the top. That's our flange off. Not going to damage any of the rest of our chair now. Put our screws in here so we don't lose them. Alright. So there we can see the damage. You can see the crack all the way around here. Wouldn't have been long before it put me on my head. Anyway, still plenty of time to fix it now. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to put some gussets on here as well to strengthen it. Put another bead around that bead and should be apples. Alright, let's get to it. Alright, so here's the 4 gussets I made. I've cleaned all the chrome and the copper undercoat off the mounting flange. So now let's get the welder out and zip them on. Alright, here it is. The gussets are on there. I just protected the handle with a couple of layers of foil. Just like when you're roasting a duck or something and you don't want the feet to get burnt. And also underneath, run a couple of beads around the top to strengthen it there. Didn't bother cleaning the spatter out the top, you're not going to see it. Give it a bit of a clean on the bottom. It's only up under a chair, no one's going to care. Alright, so now I'm just going to squirt a bit of paint on there. Alright, so here's the flange now. It's all been painted. Just painted it in some basic textured silver. Righto, so okay, now we can unwrap it where it was masked up here on the gas lift lever. And I wrapped it in foil around the paddle. Righto, okay, so let's put it back together, eh? That's mounted onto the cushion now. just lift it back onto the frame. All that fixed. Well, my chair's all fixed, so hopefully now I won't end up on my back with my legs in the air. Well, unless for a good reason anyway. So that's it for this episode. Please keep liking, sharing and subscribing to my channel. We'll see you next time on Nev's Garage.